say unia ketewo. I hope say ayen de beba so ma say ayen de beba so. Eh on the season we beba so back to 28 new year. Okay.
Mama mpacho me from.
That's a why that's. Eti papa shi de you know odilumba eba techiman. Osade ne ba fere say sunyan. Na zamne na papa shi do onyini say no a young boy. Eti enemy pa odilumba.
Adwinboni na na efi Broni na pamfo woni Broni adwinboni na ode sa didi ono ma me Akosua Serwaa baako na mom wan hwe yi a de enema be ye no me de me premte bata bia na aye ni kwa no Broni antumi am na me video atimasuo na ai atimasuo na me ba
no na mo botaye ne se de ade wo no ene wodie nya de komode no maami Akosua mi din de moda maami Akosua TikTok eno na obi anime ya akra maduana ba asante achem de hie ba akopɛ
we want to respect the institution of marriage. Slave queens cannot determine who your wife is. It will never happen in this country once we have legal learning. We have custom, we have culture. But let me say that slave queens cannot determine who is your wife in Ghana.
And in this case, who is the slave queen?
People who have issues with married men and yet want to claim the marriage. They are all slave queens.
Are you referring to the first respondent? Because she is said to be married to the lady Adinova as well.
No, I don't know. Probably I will pardon you if you say so. But to me, he can't. You see, a dog cannot be a cow. The law is that if Lumba marries under the ordinance, he can't marry another woman. And then you tell me that he's married to Odobro. It's impossible. Any such thing is void ab initio. From the beginning, it is void. So I can decide to go marry people, but it will not be considered by the law because of the certificate I have to get the point. And so that is why we say that cannot constitute a marriage. So if they have pictures of their marriage, if they have certificate, it is called bigamy, a criminal offense under our law. And probably we will consider charging the woman for bigamy. And we'll see how it goes.
So you would charge Broni rather for bigamy?
Yes. If there is evidence that she deliberately got married to Lumba, knowing that he was married, it's bigamy. I'm restraining myself because of the minors, the kids involved. You see, if Lumba gave birth to 6 kids, we also have to protect the kids. We cannot concentrate overly on the issue of wife and whatever. So in all our steps, we are mindful of the kids involved in this matter so that they will not be affected. Their future will be protected. Who knows this? One of them is the president.
My last question is, if the court does not rule in your favor on the by the end of the hearing of this particular case, is your client willing to participate in the funeral process?
It is her right to participate, so she's always willing to participate. You see, if it were not for the letters written, probably won't get here to get a permit. Officially engaging a lawyer to write to her that she's not a wife, then she has to fight. Otherwise, we'll not get here. So she's protecting her wife. Spousal right is very important. Apart from the right of kuna, there's also a right of property. You know that. And so the battle is not just for who to be the widow, but who is entitled to the estate of Lumba. Before Lumba met Akosua Serwaa, together they had properties. But Akosua Serwaa, the two of them, They went to the US. Abraham born many kind and Akosua Serwaa and Kakadem. Have you heard it? Exactly. So they work together and acquire properties. And you think that should just sleep for somebody to keep it? It don't happen. Would use our legal learning to help her get what she's entitled.
Thank you very much. Your name?
I'm Lawyer William.
Thank you.
Of Dominion Chambers.
Thank you very much.
Passport. But more pass over and stand up and you'll be amna so moon. And easy. Yen so lumbemu. Teresa didn't call yeno. Yen will say, no so babu can focus your say why. Yen be any money that. I'm not producing it first. Yes, mammy not bread. Young fan who come to baby and a bush a penny. No cranium yam yenny. And we are about the econo and Chay. Until Kumasa, what to quire for the team legal wife. But in your Kumasa and Quay, we are singing because you were US, you were German, you were London, your baby, we are so fun. Money side chicks for the so a queen life say your money na share the cost yeah kwa support mam dey agina no kre enye ntoka per say but ye dia ma no kre and na dey ade won odi nya dey accommodate no there's a mama obia meji obi contact side chicks wadama na say side chicks na ha adwene dodon obi ade kra da wadama abewia na wudi a water free ho ye nyi ani mu nkwa won twetwe nsia sa ye nya ne sa nti obi ade da hwa ba sa opa ebia be ma de sometimes the omo ye na is in the breast but Bema ya Bema and on to me shall also now ye be you be idea with the idea to akra to wo ba be di bi no akone magia konya nsan me ko ho protest nti ano ne de yam pene mane nkoso sa okay but so better mama me English okay yes so what's your name please I'm blessed no mama nyasa oh
okay, date now, I'm share that. Viviano, and I am what